One of our goals at Blizzard is to make sure that every player, everywhere in the world, always feels safe and welcome. Safe and welcome. Always feels. Everywhere in the world. Every voice matters. Who's your daddy? What inspired you to side against basic human rights? Money. Damn, there's a Chinese knockoff of everything. We all have our freedoms, don't we, Winnie? A blue whale's vagina is so big and deep that 5 to 6 men can easily lay down in it, making it the world's next biggest pussy after Blizzard. Chinese government. Silence any minions that oppose you and take their prize money. EA. I am the worst company alive. I require microtransactions to load the menu screen. Blizzard. I punish professional players for supporting people who are trying to win their freedom. EA. You clearly are the worst. Don't forget to bring a bottle of water to stay hydrated at BlizzCon. Rate my battlement avatar. This post has been removed by the Chinese government. Free speech. China. Blizzard. Blizzard. Our platforms should not be used for political and social divide. Also Blizzard. Where's gay pride rainbow pin? Name a more iconic duo. I'll wait. Found the CEO of Blizzard. Xi Jinping. Battlecry gives social points to all friendly minions and all enemy companies must bow to you. Share this picture of Xi Jinping to get him banned from his own country. I support the Hong Kong protesters. Please like and subscribe if you say Blizzard.